Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2022 November the 3rd. November the 3rd, huh? Alright. Okay, yes, thank you so much for coming back. Sawadee krap, Liu, Bradley, Hubert, and wow, Sabrina. Yeah, alright, thank you so much. And Roger. Yeah, alright. So today, in this session, I'm going to pick up some currency pairs, get ready for selling. All right, so here I'm going to okay, so later on when we come back for the live trading, all right, then we will focus on all these currencies pairs. All right, okay, so quickly let's move into our MT4. Right, so first of all, let me analyze out the trend for Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. So Aussie CAD, tentatively we are in the bear, but seems like the bear is trying to test the bull. So let's see if this is actually buying or the selling. Well, past 2 days, I think there's quite a lot of turbulence here, right? A lot of movement. But then again, is that I still see that now currently Aussie CAD selling is not very promising now. Okay, because today seems like there's a retracement. So by looking at this, right? So currently, I will say that we are still looking out for some buying of a resistance. Okay, so currently, I will skip this first. All right, so for Aussie franc, let's see Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc over here, currently we are in the bull. So buyers, you can take note, but for seller, we have to stay away. Okay. Well, so for Aussie yen, yep, Aussie yen yesterday, yes, we picked up the Aussie yen and started to sell down. And so it sold down. Then I think currently it's still pretty good. Okay, so looks like we are actually continue the selling. So basically, all right, so let me put this down and let's see that for us. Right, so as for the support level, let's look at support level first. All right, tentatively, okay, I see there's a support level over here, and the resistance level actually we are still looking out for this level to as a resistance now. Okay, so currently we'll just hang on first. All right, so tentatively for Aussie yen, I will still be looking out for selling. When it reaches the resistance, then we'll have a good selling area there. All right, okay, so selling for Aussie yen is possible. Okay, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Right, ICK 你好 Namaste Naga, nice to see you here. Right, Naga. Well, yes, Naga, can you send a message to the Naga? Can you send a message to the Facebook page, my Facebook page? The link is in the comment in the description box of this video. All right. Okay, we have something for you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, over here, let's see and let's take a look. Aussie Kiwi, Aussie Kiwi, we are in the bear. Yesterday, yes, we have been selling for the past few days, and I think that's pretty good. So today, Aussie Kiwi has break the support there. So looking out for another support there, which is likely to get this level. Okay, so that we are actually pretty good with this Aussie Kiwi. And right now, okay, looking out for the resistance should be around here. Okay, all right, so at this point here, right, so over here. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at Aussie Kiwi for selling today as well. So let's take a look if Aussie Kiwi, if we are going to test on the resistance and with breaking through, then probably we have a chance to sell down. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi not bad. I'm going to put this into my watch list. Yes. All right, Naga. So remember to send a message over because I'm going to give you something. All right. Okay. I'm going to give you something. Yep. Okay. So I have a $50 USD. Yeah. So yeah, send your message over. All right, Naga. Let's just like to verify something with you before I actually give you a USD there. All right. Okay. Okay, so yeah, and let's go on with Aussie dollar. Yes, Aussie dollar over here. Yes, for Aussie dollar right now, okay, currently we will be selling, so the bear is still running. All right, so tentatively the bear is running well. So we are looking out for this chance to sell. So tentatively looking at this is actually the support, and selling is still, the resistance is still here. We are pretty near to the resistance, so looks like there will be a good chance for selling today. So Aussie dollar, after the retracement, after all this, tentatively by looking at this, okay, we may have a chance to set up for a selling here. Right, then this is a short-term selling. Okay, then after that we are going for a buy. All right, so for short term, well, we are looking into Aussie dollar. Okay, so let's see later on. Well, as for Euro Aussie, let's take a look. Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, we are still in the bull. So the bull today looks like we are hit on the support here, and we are actually not selling anymore. So get ready to buy again. Well, so in this case, for Euro Aussie, I'm going to skip. Okay, and also EURCAD over here. All right, EURCAD. Well, for EURCAD, in this case here, all right, EURCAD, we are actually still looking up pretty strong. Okay, so now EURCAD, if I want to sell, I don't think that there's a good selling point there because you are on the support. So let's skip this to Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen, I think this is pretty nice. Okay, I'm going to so that we can get a picture. All right, because all these are in my class. Okay, so I have a box here. As you can see, this is my target, right? So for the past few days, we're aiming this space here, and finally it hits. Okay, so yes, the bull is running and turning down into the bear. So that was my analysis for the past few days. So it was done. Okay, and I shall remove this. So I shall take away the box here. Right. Then let's see over here. Will Euro Yen will continue the selling? I would say that tentatively is highly possible. Okay, highly possible because we have break support here. Okay, so we are still looking out for the next support level, which is actually quite low below there. Okay, so at the point right now, we have since beginning of the week, we have been selling Euro Yen until the box here. Right, so will this continue the selling? Okay, I'm going to remove this box since the target has been met. Well, for Euro Yen, okay, tentatively by looking at this point here, all right, we can see that the selling is still ongoing. Okay, but the space below is still very good. We still have around a 70. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, right, by looking at this point here, it will be good. All right, it will be good for me to actually focus on the selling for the Euro Yen today. Right, so let's see. Okay, later Euro Yen will need to be traced up a little bit first. Okay, then after that, okay, we will look out for selling. That may come in the second half of the day. Right. Okay, so yep, let's go again with Euro Kiwi. Yes, Euro Kiwi, we are actually now turning down to the selling. However, we are very near to the support level, which has no change. Okay, over here about 858 pips. As for the resistance, we are now coming in lower down a little bit, and it had been tested once, okay, twice, and now started to slow down. So we are right in the middle. So we make sure H1 will have a new selling cycle, which is like this. Okay, and it's already starting to sell. All right, so hang on with that. Right, another one, Euro Kiwi. Right, Euro Kiwi. I'm gonna put this watch list. Right. Okay, Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar over here looks good. Right, Euro dollar, because of the FOMC, we have very good swing up and down over here. Let's see, are we in the bear? All right, by looking at this, it's very clear. All right, so this is still bear. So in this here, okay, and we are looking for selling. Since I'm looking out for selling, first of all, let's look at the support. It has broken, and now looking out for the next support down there. Looks very, very good, right? So tentatively, there's one support level. Okay, there's one. Okay, we are here. So we have one level here. We have about 30 pips to go. And resistance level also coming downwards. All right, over here. Well, let's be patient. Okay, with euro dollar, let's allow it to go up and test the resistance first without breaking. Then after that, we come down. Okay, then we'll start selling. Well, for past few days, we'll be talking about euro dollar. We're going for a buy, correct? So I placed my target here, if you remember. Right, so yesterday for the FOMC, it has started to rise up, and it hits on the target immediately. It get rejected. So now we are back. This area has been cleared. Okay, my area here has been cleared. So I'm going to take this away. Right, take this away, and I'm going to take a look clearer the new targets. All right, we are going to look out for the new targets. So new targets will be looking out for somewhere here over selling for this euro dollar at 97.577, right? 0.97577. This will be my target since the earlier target has been met, and it went up, and then after that it started to swing down again. Okay, so that's fine. And euro dollar, yes, I'm going to put euro dollar into my selling list, right? So that we know what to do with them. Okay. So next to go, pound Aussie, right? Pound Aussie. Well, pound Aussie over here, we are still in the bull, so there will be slight off from there. But however, by looking at that, okay, this seems like are we really going down for selling? I see yes, but no. Well, so it's a bit of contradicting. So tentatively, pound Aussie, we are still in the area. So I'm going to skip this first. The observation, right? Then we'll see what to do. Well, for pound CAD, we are in the bear and shoot up for the bull. Well, this bull, I don't think it will last very long. Okay, but tentatively today we are not focused on this because looking at this doesn't look nice. Okay, it's supported. So buyers, you can look out for that, but sellers will have to stay, right? Okay, how about pound franc? Well, pound franc over here, pound franc with the same thing. Okay, with pound CAD. So buyers can take note, but sellers stay away. Right, pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Well, pound yen once again, right? Pound yen, we have a very good trading experience yesterday. Okay, so let's share with all of you. We are in the bull. Okay, so we are in the bull. So running up, turning into the transition on Tuesday. And on the Wednesday, yesterday it started to string down and go into my targets. Okay, so once again, the target has been cleared. As you can see, this area here, I have cleared this area. Right, so I'm going to remove this as well. All right, so let's remove this. And for this pound yen, we have cleared this area. And also, finally, it reaches my final target as here. All right, so this line here, okay, this is my target here. It has reached target, so I'm going to remove it as well. So from the previous target over here to this here, it was about 100 pips. Okay, so of course I didn't take 100 pips already. Okay. I just trade according to zoning. So for pound yen, all right, how did I actually trade on the zoning later on in the live trading session? Okay, you guys can join in, all right, and same channel here, then we will share along the way. All right, so do remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and so that you will be able to join in. Right, okay, so right now with this support here, okay, we can see that the target is still on the support here. We have tested once and then taken profit, and of course over here we are going to look out for another round of selling, resistance, pressure, whatever you call, but that is a very important part whereby I see that you have a very good space down here. All right, we have very good space down here, so we still have about 70 pips. So currently I'm waiting for pound yen to break the support here. Okay, although it tested and taken my profits here, and I'm going to wait for another round. Okay, so I'm going to wait for another round. So later on, pound yen, we will focus, okay, observe it to see to break the support, and I'm going to continue the second zoning for 70 pips. All right. Okay, next to go, pound kiwi. Right, pound kiwi over here. Pound kiwi, we are in the bull, turning down into the bear right now. Okay, but we are just on the support, which is like a door opening to the bear market. All right, so let's wait for this to break, and then after that we will take note. of this pound kiwi to sell. Right, so tentatively no yet. Okay, so pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar is another one which is very good. All right, so pound dollar, which let's take a look. Pound dollar, we are in the bear. We are in the bear, turning looking for selling. So look out for selling. So first of all, let's recap a little bit on this week what we have done for the pound dollar. All right, so let me take it away. Right, so pound dollar, one target here taken. Okay, so we have taken this target here. Right, so I'm going to remove this as well. All right, let's see. Box. All right, so my target here taken. I'm going to remove my target here taken. Remove, and this target here done. So removed. Right, so very clear. So now we are left with the target right below there. Okay, so yeah, so let's see if this is going to work. Okay, I'm going to plot my resistance level. All right, so support level. All right, so we are still here, and right, so over here, this is our target here, and this is our resistance here. Support level. Let's take oh. Well, I still see one support level over here. Okay, yeah, so it's still quite big. The space is still pretty big. Okay, so tentatively, let's see. With this, okay, what am I going to do is that I'm going to wait for this to test on the resistance level. Okay, so this one this is also a support here. So what am I going to do is that I'm going to wait for the pound dollar to test on the resistance up there. Okay, which is about only 20 pips away. After testing the resistance, if there's a chance for us to sell down, I will be looking for about 49 pips. Total of 49 pips here. So let's see. Okay, let's wait for things to happen. Okay, so pound dollar, I'm going to watch out for this pound dollar. All right, so there will be two area of pound dollars later on in my live streaming. I will then continue to look how will it be. All right. Okay, then we will assess furthermore because I see there's points that pound dollar will go up and then come down again. All right, so let's move on to dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD. As for dollar CAD over here, all right, dollar CAD tentatively is still in the bull. Okay, get set up here, and now we are set up for the support there. Now we are testing on the resistance. Will it actually swing down after the resistance? Oh, yes, probably, but tentatively any sign, okay, for selling yet? Okay, because it's already sold, and now we are looking out in this point that this resistance is as the resistance breakout, okay, or to bring it down. So currently, okay, it has been already sold for a few hours, so I would prefer not to enter anything right now, but dollar CAD looks good to sell. Okay, so I'm going to put dollar CAD into watch list as well. Right, so yep, dollar CAD. Okay, let's take a look. Dollar CAD. Okay, so right now, okay, let's see. For dollar franc, let's take a look at dollar franc. Dollar franc, very clear cut. We are still in the bull. So no selling. Okay, no for selling, but buyers can take note. Okay, after seems like the buying is coming soon. All right, so yeah, good luck to you for dollar franc. So buyers can take note. Okay. For dollar yen, let's take a look at dollar yen. Well, dollar yen, is it a time to slip off now? We have from 151 and until now, it seems like wow, there's a lot of pips down there. Am I right? 400 pips. So is it a good time to sell now? Well, I don't really encourage now because it is still in the bull. Right, the bull is still running very strongly, holding the price up there for quite a while. And with the rates, Fed rates has achieved 4%, and I guess probably okay, that may actually dollar yen as well. So I will prefer to wait for a little while more. Stay away from dollar yen at the moment. I will still go into other currencies. Okay. All right. So Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin. I guess a lot of people have been talking about this Bitcoin. We have something talk about Tesla. Correct. Tesla 360. I think soft coin or Bitcoin 360. Yeah. So I think that's pretty interesting. All right, so it aims to make every family to be a millionaire. Well, I guess I hope it will. So let's see if this is going to work. And Bitcoin tentative out area here. I would prefer to wait for the fall. Okay, into 100 again, and perhaps we'll be out for a buy. So tentatively, we are going to range around this 20,003. So still a little bit more of movement will be buy side. Okay, so let's see if there's any news from the and point. I guess not today, maybe tonight or tomorrow. Right. For the goal, yes, for the goal. All right, so let's see the goal. All right. As for the goal, yesterday I guess it's pretty good. Aim at 1656, but it actually exceeded the expectation. And after that, it started to swing down and hit and totally take out my expectation for this 1656 and actually come down for selling until point of my support, not support, my targets here, 1637 again. All right. So what does that mean now? Will there be another chance of selling? Well, perhaps there will be a chance. Right. So buying is still possible right now. So I'm still looking out for a chance that probably we'll be looking out to buy. Okay, we are looking out for this to buy first so that it can get a resistance level. In that case, then after that, then we'll be looking out for the selling. So for now, right now, okay, I'll be looking out for the buying until this level here. Price is about 1640, right? 1640. So that will be looking out for the buying now. After that, probably we can take a look whether is there a chance for selling, because trend for the gold is selling side. So it's on the selling side. So we are still looking for a lower price. Okay. So we are looking for selling. Yeah. Then look out for gold today, but initially it was up first. All right. We will still go to target at 1640, 1640. So after 1640, then probably we need to assess the situation before we actually take action. Right. So yep. And of course, coming back here, yeah, that's all for me today right now. So let's see if any currency pairs that we are going to focus. Right. Yep. Let's see. Okay. Let me actually flash it out for everybody so that everybody. Okay. Right. So Aussie yen. Right. Aussie yen and also Aussie Kiwi, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Euro Kiwi, Euro dollar, Pound Kiwi, Pound yen, Pound dollar, and dollar CAD. Right. Okay, that's all for me today. For now, right, guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and later on I will come in another 1.5 hours. Right. So I shall see you in the live trading deck. Okay, for more reading. Right. Thank you so much, guys. Do remember to smash the like button. Thank you so much, and see you again.